Investing can be managed in different ways, and understanding those options is an important part of financial education. Elevate North Advisors provides resources that explain both hands-on management and automated investing. A hands-on approach gives an investor greater involvement in selecting assets, reviewing market information, and deciding when portfolio changes may be appropriate. This method can offer more control, but it also requires time, research, and regular attention. Automated features follow predefined rules. They may help with portfolio allocation, scheduled contributions, rebalancing, and ongoing monitoring. Automation can simplify routine tasks, although investors still need to understand the strategy, costs, and level of risk involved. Professional financial guidance adds another layer of support. An advisor can help explain financial goals, time horizons, risk tolerance, and the differences between available approaches. Elevate North Advisors connects educational resources, automated features, and professional guidance within one learning framework. The objective is not to identify one method as suitable for everyone. It is to help investors understand their options and make informed decisions based on their circumstances, priorities, and long-term plans.